You guys are upset with girls or just yourself?
I bet a lot of people around here like to know you're into little girls.
I'm not saying for sure, but it looked like the work of some kind of psychotic.
That's Melissa. She was the last person to see Johnny alive. She might as well take her clothes off.
Hank, hurry up! I'm not swimming alone. Open the door! Open the door! God damn it! Open the door!
Hey, I'll leave when I'm ready, old man. You better call Billy and tell him about his brother.
I suppose this is about last night.
You know about last night?
Listen, you know Johnny was killed.
Look, leave me alone, okay?
What's the matter? Don't you want to hear the details about how that poor old man was twitching from his ceiling because you decided you wanted a little attention?
I never seen anything like it.
Oh, my God. You know, drop pills, you drink or smoke dope or anything?
Well, I do a little of everything.
Everything. Ooh. Maybe we should get together sometime.
Let me go!